Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best mini laundry is probably one of the most revolutionary appliances for anyone living in compact spaces, dorm rooms, or even just looking for a convenient way to handle small loads without the hassle of a full-size machine, offering surprising power and efficiency in a portable package that truly simplifies your daily chores. Number 5. Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine. This portable twin tub washing machine is incredibly user-friendly. It saves you valuable time, eliminating trips to the laundromat or tedious hand washing. Despite its compact size, it offers a substantial 12 pounds washing capacity. Its spinner dryer handles 8 pounds, allowing you to efficiently manage your laundry. Its semi-automatic design provides complete control over your wash. You can easily set precise wash and spin times based on your clothes' needs. Equipped with 300W wash power and 110W spin power, it delivers robust cleaning. This powerful yet lightweight appliance is easily movable for your convenience. The twin tub design is perfect for any home. It includes a side filter net for easy cleaning and a cover plate to ensure stable spinning. What we like? This model offers a generous 20 pounds capacity, perfect for larger small loads. Its semi-automatic design gives you full control over wash and spin times, making it ideal if you prefer customized cycles for different fabric types. If you're looking for a powerful machine that saves you trips to the laundromat and offers flexibility, this is a great choice. What people say. Number 4. Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine 13 pounds. This innovative design allows you to wash and spin dry loads simultaneously. You can easily move clothes from one tub to the other, saving you valuable time. Equipped with a robust 1,300 revolutions per minute motor, it ensures thorough cleaning for your garments. Its water-efficient design and clear tub window let you see the magic happen. With wash cycles up to 15 minutes and spin cycles up to 5, it fits your schedule. Its lightweight, space-saving design makes it perfect for small living areas, dorms, or RVs. Using it is incredibly simple: load, fill, set the timer, and start. It features large wave pulsates and new water flow, ensuring better cleaning with less fabric twisting. Its durable plastic body prevents rust, ensuring longevity and quiet operation. This machine's small size and low power consumption help you save energy and maintain a neat space. What we like? This unit features a convenient twin tub design, allowing simultaneous washing and spinning to save time. With its 1,300 revolutions per minute motor, it delivers powerful cleaning while remaining energy efficient. If you live in a dorm, RV, or small apartment and need a compact, time-saving solution, this one is perfectly suited for your limited space. What people say. Compact design allows for easy placement in small living areas. Effectively cleans small loads of laundry with minimal effort. Number 3. Super Deal Mini Compact Twin Tub Washer. This is the smallest and lightest twin tub portable washing machine available. It easily hooks up to your kitchen faucet, ready for use. With its 2-in-1 wash and spin capacity, it's perfect for small loads, keeping your clothes clean and in great condition. This mini clothes washing machine saves you precious time by washing and spinning loads simultaneously. You can move items directly from the washer to the spinner, or run both sides together to finish your laundry efficiently. It's great for baby clothes, sheets, socks, or underwear. Its True Rinse technology delivers excellent results without wasting water, including 2 deep rinses on all cycles. With maximum water level, the tub is truly full. You can even be washing and spinning at the same time, as its compartments and timers are separate systems, saving you real time. Equipped with separate timer controls for washing and spinning, it's incredibly easy to use. Just add clothes, water, set the timer, and start. It's engineered to accept any laundry additives you prefer, from powders to pods, giving you complete control. Constructed from high-density plastic, an aluminum pump, and an upgraded motor, it's built to last for years. Its lightweight and space-saving design makes it easy to move and transport, fitting perfectly in dorms, apartments, RVs, or any limited space. What we like? This is one of the smallest and lightest twin tub options available, making it incredibly easy to move and store. It boasts True Rinse technology for superior cleaning without water waste, ensuring your clothes are spotless. If you prioritize extreme portability and efficient rinsing for baby clothes or delicate items, this compact washer is an excellent fit. What people say. Number 2. Auertech Portable Washing Machine Mini Washer Dryer Combo. Experience outstanding washing results. Equipped with a powerful motor and strong water flow, it removes dirt quickly while being gentle on fabrics. Your clothes come out fresh and nearly dry, perfect for small loads and everyday laundry. Its dual tub design allows you to wash and spin simultaneously, cutting your laundry time in half. With separate tubs for washing and spinning, you can easily monitor the process through its transparent lid. Simple, straightforward controls make it beginner-friendly. You can adjust wash and spin timers independently. Just add water, set the timer, and get clean clothes in minutes. Measuring only 14D x 22W x 23H and weighing 22 pounds, it fits anywhere. This makes it ideal for dorms, apartments, RVs, and camping. It's lightweight and easy to move or store. It's made of high-quality, rust-resistant PP plastic for long-lasting use. Its strong water flow ensures deep cleaning with less fabric wear. Each unit is pre-tested for quality, ensuring it's brand new and ready for you. What we like. This machine provides powerful cleaning and a fast spin, getting clothes up to 90% dry quickly. Its dual tub design allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, cutting down laundry time significantly. If you're a beginner looking for straightforward operation and efficient drying for gym clothes or small loads, this user-friendly combo is ideal. What people say. Number 1. Portable Mini Foldable Electric Clothes Dryer with Remote Control. Meet your new laundry solution, designed for ultimate convenience. This compact dryer is perfect for small spaces like apartments, RVs, or even when you're traveling. Its foldable design makes storage a breeze. Operating it couldn't be simpler. With the included remote control, you can easily start, stop, and adjust its settings to perfectly suit your needs. Enjoy complete control without even getting up. Don't let its small footprint fool you. This dryer boasts a surprisingly large capacity drum, capable of holding a significant amount of clothes. It makes drying efficient and incredibly convenient for everyday use. For optimal performance, remember to spin dry clothes first to reduce moisture. It works best with 4 to 6 lightweight items, typically drying them in 45 to 120 minutes. Just redistribute items halfway for even drying. Experience a new level of clean with its built-in LED UV technology. This feature provides a deep clean for your garments, ensuring a more comfortable and hygienic experience. Your clothes will feel fresh and revitalized. Crafted from high-quality plastic or metal alloy steel, this dryer is engineered for durability. It's designed to withstand the rigors of regular use, providing reliable performance for years to come. Invest in a dryer that stands the test of time. What we like. This unique product offers convenient remote control operation for easy adjustments from a distance. It also includes UV hygiene technology, providing an extra layer of cleanliness for your garments. If you need a compact, foldable dryer specifically for travel or small spaces and appreciate advanced hygiene features, this is the perfect companion. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.